Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download, install and set up IntelliJ IDEA on your Windows 11 PC. If you are planning to start Java or Kotlin development, this tutorial help you to get everything ready. So let's get started. First open Google and search for IntelliJ IDEA. Then open the official IntelliJ IDEA website from the top search result. Now click the download button. IntelliJ IDEA is now a single unified product. You no longer need to download separate Community Edition and Ultimate Edition. Just download this version and you can use it for free or upgrade to a subscription whatever you need additional features. Now let's download the exe installer for Windows. As you can see, the download has started. Just wait for it to finish and make sure you have a proper internet connection. As you can see, the download is now complete. Now open File Explorer, go to your download folder and double click the IntelliJ IDEA installer to launch it. If Windows asks for permission, click yes or allow to continue. Now click next. We will leave the default installation path as it is. As you can see, IntelliJ IDEA requires 4.2 GB of disk space. Click next again. Then check create desktop shortcut and click next. Finally, click install to begin the installation process. The installation may take a few minutes, so please be patient and wait for it to complete. Finally, check IntelliJ IDEA and click finish. Check confirm, then click continue. After that, click don't send. Allow the permission. Skip import to continue. Congratulations, you have successfully installed IntelliJ IDEA on your PC. You can now create a new project or open an existing one and start developing right away. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.